Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we got a couple things we got to do. First thing this morning, we're going to go grab a coffee, bring the wife back a coffee. I got to go help my brother pick up my other brother's bike at the dealership. Last year he was in a wreck with it and they had it all over winter. He went back east, so it's been sitting in the shop, but we're going to get it out for him today. And then we are going to get some tires put on the truck. I got these tires from a guy for a very, very cheap price, so I was like, I couldn't pass it up. They're like new. If you look at them, I get you in there. If you look at them, they're in very, very good shape. So for what I paid for them, it was worth buying them. Instead of paying $1,000 for a set of tires, I got those ones for an extreme discount. But with that said, let's start off by going and getting that coffee. Alright folks, so we finally made it to the bike shop here where we're going to go in, get my brother's bike, and well, I'm waiting for my other brother to show up. He hasn't showed up yet, so once he shows up, then we will be getting my brother's bike, and then we'll go from there. So for right now, we're going to take a look at a couple of these bikes here that are sitting over here. Alright folks, so we looked at a couple of the bikes. My son, he wanted to sit on them. He was pretty excited to sit on them. My other brother, he is here now. He's got his truck there. He went in to pay. There's a deductible that had to be paid. So he went in to pay that there for my brother. And then, just so everybody understands, I'm talking about two brothers, okay? My brother Dan, he's gone in to pay for it. My brother David is back east. He is the one that owns the bike. What happened is last year he got in a wreck, hurt himself pretty good, ended up off work, and he just said to hell with it. His company kind of screwed him, and he left and went back east, and so we're just getting his bike now, and we're gonna put it in the back of Dan's truck, take it over to his place, take it off, and leave it sitting there for him. The chances are, they're saying that it's been sitting in the shed, so the battery's probably dead. I would say the battery's probably shot because it's been sitting since last summer, right? Like it took them. I think they didn't start working on it until like December or October last year. Like it was bullshit, man. Like they had to wait for insurance for everything. So it ended up he had to wait a long time before they even started working on it. But anyways, with that said, we're just waiting for them they're going to wash it, try and put it on a boost, get it to start, all that good stuff. And then we're going to take it. So once we get it on the truck, I'll get back to you. Alright folks, so we got the bike on my brother's truck and we are heading over to his place right now. He's behind me there somewhere. We're going to try and get it off. I don't know how we're going to get it off. The bike weighs, I'm not sure exactly what a motorcycle weighs, but I'm going to say somewhere's around 1,200 pounds. And we don't got a ramp to take it off. We don't have nothing to take it off, so what I suggested to him is there's a hill across the street from his place. Maybe we'll back up to the hill. We can push it off to the hill and then kind of I'll ride it down the hill and we'll go from there, like something like that. I don't know, or figure out something. I mean, the battery's dead, so that there completely screws everything up. But anyways, we'll see what happens. See if we can't get her done. Hopefully we can get her done. Hopefully we can get her off the truck. Without damaging anything, because that's the last thing we want to do is damage anything. So the best thing would have been to do was to have it driven out of there, right? The battery is toast, and they didn't even try to boost it supposedly, I guess. I don't know, but the battery is toast, and in my opinion, that should be covered under insurance, repairs, like they should have covered a new battery for that, because it was sitting, not only because of my brother's fault, but yet the insurance company's fault. So you know, when you get a bike back, when you brought it there, the thing started, right? So when you pick it up, it should start too. Like, I don't know. Not that the motorcycle batteries are that expensive. I think Walmart's got them on right now for they're the ever starts. But hey, it's a battery, man. Like, in my opinion, when you're driving something like that there, and you know it's going to be parked every winter, why buy that a battery that's, you know, a certain, you know, brand or whatever, when they're only going to sit it for the winter? You know, it's going to end up having to replace the battery anyway. So, anyways, with that said, the battery is toast. You can get one at Walmart. There's, I think they were like $69 or $72 for a motorcycle battery. That's like the next step up. Like, I got one for my son's truck, and it was just a very small one. That one was like $40 or whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, with that said, let's get to my brother's and we'll try and get this bike off. Alright folks, so we made it to my brother's place, and he made it here. We tried to find a spot. We were going to go across the road here to there to get it off, but it wasn't low enough. The bike is so heavy, I couldn't even lift the back end of it to get it off. So, let's just say this here, this bike, it weighs a ton. It is the heaviest shit ever. But anyways, we're gonna leave it on for tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna figure out a solution. Right now, we're gonna go get some tires. All right, folks, so we went to Fountain Tire, and the guy said, oh, we're booked up for the whole week. You know, you leave it with us, we'll see if we can fit it in. Probably we might get it done tomorrow. I want my truck back, man. Like, I don't plan on leaving it for a couple days and hoping to get it back. Like, I don't know. Like, I know they're trying to make money. Don't get me wrong, but Lord, like, you can't tell a guy, oh yeah, no, so you leave it with us, we'll give it back to you, you know, probably in 3 days, you know, to get your tires done. Like, no. So I've always went to Canadian Tire, and a lot of people are probably going to laugh at me, but you know why I go to Canadian Tire? And this is a simple reason, is because they're first come, first serve. So I'm going to go over there, see if they can get it done today, and if not, you know, I can leave it with them for overnight, and then tomorrow morning they can have it done first thing in the morning, right? That way, I still get my tires done, but I don't have to get up at 7 o'clock to be there. You know what I mean? Like, my truck will already be there, they'll have it, and they'll be able to do it. So that's what my plan is. That's why I've always went to Canadian Tire with my vehicles, because it wasn't because I trusted their work. It was because they could get it in right away. Right? They're first come, first serve with them. And I like that feature. A lot of places, you know, you got to book an appointment, or if you ain't got an appointment, well, we'll try to fit you in. It might be today, it might be tomorrow. Like, you know, I don't know. It don't take long to change 4 tires, I'll tell you that right now. So they at Canadian Tire, they have a guy that just does tires. You know, they're more of a mechanic shop, and then they do the tires too, because they do sell them, right? But most people out here, they go to the tire shops to get their tires done. So anyways, we'll see here. I'll go over to Canadian Tire, see if they can't put these on today, and if not, like I said, I'll leave the truck with them. They'll get it done first thing in the morning for me. You know, I don't mind, because it's not like I'm going to do anything else today anyways with my truck. So, you know, just leave it with them, and they'll have it done for me in the morning. And when I get up out of bed and feel like going out, I can get her done. All right, folks, so we're at the bank right now. The wife, actually, she's coming out now. She got a new bank card. Her card, every time you go to tap it, it wouldn't work, so she had to get a new one. So we got my truck in Canadian Tire. They'll have it done today, which I assumed, right? That's why I went with Canadian Tire. That's why I always go with them, because of that simple fact that I know that they can get it done. And if they couldn't get it done today, they would tell me they couldn't get it done today. Bring it in first thing in the morning, and we'll have it done for you. And that's the way it's always been going with them. Now, not all Canadian Tires are like that, but I'll tell you right now, this one in Sherwood Park, they're pretty decent. I don't know if it's like because in Sherwood Park they have a better attitude than over in Edmonton. Like, I don't know, but they're so much better here in Sherwood Park to deal with. So with that said, we are waiting for them to call us now to get the tires done. So we'll see you then. All right, folks. So we are at Canadian Tire, as you can see. I just got out, paid the bill, got my tires on. Like I said, perfect place to go to. If it's windy, I'm sorry, but perfect place to go to. They're always right on. They get stuff done. And you know, I would have had to wait until tomorrow. They had it done today. So let's take a look. We got the tires on here. Nice, nice, perfect. Nice, looking a lot better. Set of good tires goes a long way. They didn't park right, but hey, nice set of tires goes a long way. Hey, so those will last me a little bit. We'll get a little farther out of them. I don't know how much farther, but hey, we'll get farther than the other ones were gonna get me, that's for sure. My tire pressure sensor should be out. Perfect. No tire pressure sensor. Let's take this for a ride. Oh, and see how she, let me just get my seatbelt on. Sorry, folks. Let's just take this for a ride and see how she handles here. We got her in reverse. Back her up. Nothing there. All right. Supposed to meet the wife. We're taking the kids to fly kites, so I gotta get there quicker than later. Let's get her on the road. See, I wasn't gonna tell them to do alignment. I wanted to see how the tires felt first before I get the alignment. But they're on. Steering wheel seems to be all right. I think there might be a slight little bit of alignment need to be done, but it's hard to tell because these roads are pretty rough right now. So for now, we're just gonna leave it like it is. The steering wheel looks pretty straight, to be honest. It looks pretty straight, so you know, I can't see it being out of alignment that much. If it is, it is, but I can't see it, so let's get to flying some kites, and we'll see you there. All right, folks, so we are back here. They're up flying their kites up there. We're just going to take another look at the tires. The poor rims, man. Those rims look terrible. They look like they got scuffs all over them and stuff. I don't know. They probably just... That one looks like it hit a curb or something. I don't remember hitting no curb with the tire. Anyways, I don't remember hitting a curb. But anyways, hello, bud. The tires look good though. They're not, you know, they're not brand new, but they're very well tired. We got the tire that I wanted them to keep. I'm gonna make a tire swing for the kids with it. Look at this side again. Sorry about the wind. It is windy, but looks good. The tires all need to be cleaned. The truck needs to be cleaned too. Another one. So if anybody's wondering, these are Firestone tire, all-terrain, destination for Destination Trucker. So anyways, all-terrain tire. Anyways, with that said, gonna go fly some kites. So with that said, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.